Abarikutuura omwebembezi w'ihanga Honorable Mutuzo or Minister of Gender and Culture ahireho miliyoni 5 aharubura family eyafirirwa omuntu wabo.
The president has offered money to every family that has lost their people here especially within the period of May to August. Some time back I had given about 10 million shillings. Now I have delivered 50 million shillings, and all the families that had lost their dear ones have been able to benefit.
President ashabira abo bona abari mu myanya y'ubugwererezi na mnonga enshozi kufurukamu okwetantara abantu kugumana bafa mnonga.
We are now acting upon what happened in the last rainy season in May. We are into the rains again, and these rains take even longer. They are even heavier than the ones in May. So please be conscious about it. As we mourn our beloved people, we pray that we don't bury any other person. Please take government's caution very seriously.
As we struggle to see if we can resettle these people where it is safer, but as advised them to be creative enough to see if they can relocate in the neighborhood, especially with their relatives. But not that only, those who can afford to buy maybe a plot in trading centers elsewhere where it is safe, they can even use part of the Mabugu to be able to relocate themselves as they wait for a bigger program of government that can resettle the most affected.
Abebembezi aberibere nagabo basimire President Museveni ahabwo kubakwatiraho nka district ya Kasese na mnonga oba kwa batungire bigwererezi.
The minister has delivered the message of condolence to the 8 families or families where they lost their people, and each family for a life lost they have been given 5 million. And I want to thank the president for this gesture of condoling with his people.
Amakuru gashakwa Muhindo Gerard awa Sky Television agenshunga omuri Kasese.